Much respect to the Wuppertal Fire Service workers and the police, because I have a very good experience watching what these brave men and women do on a daily to protect the environment. I had when I was going out for shopping. The truck alone captured my attention, and not only the truck, the police vehicle that was in front leading the truck, and the well-suited, like the people were well bodily suited, that were directing the truck on the direction to go. Because of this, I was curious and interested to know more of the function of this truck. In my little findings, I came to know that the truck registration number is WFW 6200, and it was constructed 2015. This truck was constructed by an Australian company known as the Holzman, and this was done sometime. The company was contacted in December 2014 when Wuppertal wanted to change its oil suction truck, the oil spilling suction truck. So because of this, they had to contact this company to build this, and this is a complete beauty. If you happen to see this truck, like, just the beauty of it and the function will call your attention to watch what it's doing. This truck is said to be powered by a 397 kilowatts machine with a length in millimeter of 11,150, with a weight in millimeter of 2,550 and a height of 3,900 millimeters. The truck empty weight in kg is 21,000 kg. Its operational weight is 24,600 kg, and its fuel tank is 400 liters. Its suction fan is not something to compare to. Like, the thing just sucks up the oil from the road, leaving the road immaculate clean. Like, if you look at the place after the truck has done its work, you will not even believe there was a pin or a tiny anything on the road. This truck will suck up the oil, leaving the floor super clean. It has a 60 kilowatt driving power and a flow rate of 57 liters per minute. This truck is really heavily armored with bright lights and a magnificent beauty. Like, it is a work of art. This truck is owned by the fire service of Wuppertal, and it is a pure beauty. I'm sure one of these days I will have to go to the fire service to ask just to see this truck again and gain more knowledge regarding this truck. It was a beauty I saw, and I felt the need to share the knowledge with others.